That is different from the context of when an account has been settled. And in the second context here, when the consumer pays less than the full balance in a negotiated settlement, when they settle an account for less than the balance that's due, but the credit report still shows that the consumer owes a balance, that account could be an error that is actionable under the Fair Credit Reporting Act. However, you still have to send dispute letters. And this occurs primarily in two contexts. One, that a debt has been settled, but the creditor may be either showing a deficiency balance or maybe reporting a full balance. And so, what do I mean by this? I mean that, let's say, the consumer owes the credit card company $12,000. The consumer is able to settle with the credit card company for $4,000, and the consumer pays that debt off at $4,000. But the credit card company either reports the full balance still of that $12,000 owed, or would report a deficiency balance of $8,000. And this happens a lot more than you could imagine. That credit card companies or the telecom companies or your cell phone provider will accept a payment, but then just not update their records correctly to reflect that the account has been paid. Usually, in this context, we will almost always, actually, in this context, will request um, the payments that have been made, as well as any agreement, if it was made in writing, a copy of the agreement that was made prior to the settlement of the